today I am going to be doing another science experiment. We are going to be dropping a rock into liquid and experimenting how waves work. Here's what you need. You're going to need some water. You don't need it quite this full. You're going to need a rock, and you're going to need a bowl. The size of the bowl really doesn't matter, and the size of the rock doesn't matter. You just need to make sure that the rock is a little bit lower than the water level, and the bowl size just doesn't really matter as long as you have the right size rock. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to fill the bowl about halfway because I got a big old bowl. Okay, and then we need to drop the rock in the water about this high. Ready? See the waves? After the rock hit the water, it created waves, and the water was so strong that it moved the rock. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Check out our other video of sound waves, just in case you didn't already check that one out. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time.